Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing a quokka, so let's get started. To draw this super cute marsupial, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm coming right next to it, say about this far, and draw another circle. There. Now my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now I have the eyes in. I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then let's go ahead and draw the nose right in between. So let's say about right here in the center area, we're going to draw this soft curve. Always reminds me of like a koala's nose. So nice and big. So it's about right here. We're going to bring it down. And about right here, let's round it off and bring it in. There. And then you can put a center line right here and maybe some nostrils right about here and here. And then of course the sweetest smile ever. So let's come right here with a line coming down, and then we're going to curve up towards to about right there, and then cap it off with a curve. And then same thing on this side. There, so cute, right? Hopefully I did it justice here. And then in between, we're just gonna put a little curve for the mouth. And then underneath it, just lightly add another little curve. And then maybe a little bit downwards, right about here. Just nice and light, just an indication of the chin area. Okay, so now that we have all this in, we need to frame the face. So I'm going to use the center of my eye just as a spot to go from. So about right here, I'm going to come out to say about this much. Same thing on the other side, about this much. And from there, we're going to build this mochi-shaped head. So it's narrower at the top. But with this quokka, it's a little bit longer, the head. But it's just going to be narrow at the top. All right there. You can bring it in. And then go ahead and just round this part off at the top and connect. There. Then let's bring this down. Just a longer face. And bring it all the way down past the nose. And say about right here, kind of like where the mouth is, we'll start to round it off. Like where the cheeks would be. And then bring it in. So we want to come below this. So just bring in this curve to about right here. And there. So bring this in a little bit more. We don't want to close it off. We're just going to leave this part open. And then before we go any further on the body, let's come back and draw the ears. So let's say about right here, we're going to draw these super cute round ears. One about here. And then maybe for some detail, you can put in a curve and just kind of taper it off. And so same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag these points across, oops, so that I know approximately where to put my other ear. And so same thing here, just taper it off. Okay, so now that we have that, hopefully it's starting to look like it, then let's draw the body. So about right here, we're going to go ahead and draw the angle line, and we're going to bring it down. We want a nice plump quokka. So then about right here in this area, we're going to start with the hands. So I'll come about right here, and we're going to draw a curve coming down on both sides. So we don't want to go past the center. We just want to make these two curves about right here, and then come back to about right here. We're going to bend it like an elbow into the space, and then right here we're going to come down to draw these cute little quokka hands. So right here, just going to curve 3 times and connect. And then right here, you can just kind of zigzag a little bit. And so we want to do the same thing over here. Right here, bend it in. And once again, come out. And then zigzag right here, just like the other side. And then we can go ahead and finish up the body. So about right here, let's round it off. And connect at the bottom. So as I connect, I'm going to kind of go in a little bit in the center and come right back out and connect, just to add in this little detail. And then of course the feet, so kind of like these long feet. So let's come out, come down, and bring it around and in, and then add 2 little curves right here. So same thing over here. Round it off and connect, and 2 little curves there. And of course we have to add a tail, so about right here towards the bottom, let's go ahead and add in this little tail and tuck it in. And if you like, you don't have to, but I thought it'd be kind of cute to add this little tummy area. So I'm just going to add this curve. And connect. And of course we need to add a heart. So let's just put it right here, because this quokka is super cute and special. So add a heart right there to make this my Draw So Cute quokka. I really hope you love this drawing and that it brought a smile to your day, and I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.